Wanna add motion blur to fast moving clips in CapCut? Here's a quick workaround to nail that professional look. First, open your project and import your video into the timeline. Select the video and drag the video to the timeline like this. Now go to Effects tab right here, click on it. Click on Video Effects. Here scroll down and you can find Motion Blur right here. Click on it. As you can see, your video looks like this in the screen. Now to add it, simply drag it to the timeline like this and adjust its duration like this. Once you adjust it, click on the video and click on Adjustment right here. From here you can adjust its color. Let us adjust it like this. Adjust it like this. Now once you have adjusted it, preview your video so that everything looks good. Let's see how it looks. As you can see, your motion blur effect has been added to your video. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and ring the bell for more editing tips. Thanks for watching.